This solar panel output calculator solves a critical engineering problem, accurately predicting daily and annual energy production from photovoltaic systems while accounting for real-world losses and environmental factors. Let's examine the 4 input fields. First, panel watts requires the rated power of each individual solar panel in watts. This is the manufacturer's nameplate rating under standard test conditions. Number of panels is straightforward. Enter the total quantity of panels in your array. Peak sun hours represents the average daily solar insolation for your location, measured in equivalent hours of peak sunlight at 1000 watts per square meter. System losses accounts for all efficiency reductions, including inverter losses, wiring resistance, soiling, temperature coefficients, and mismatch, typically ranging from 10 to 20%. Here's a practical example. For a commercial rooftop installation, I'll enter 300 for panel watts, a common commercial panel size. Number of panels. Let's use 40 panels for a 12 kilowatt system. Peak sun hours. I'll enter 5.2, typical for many temperate regions. System losses. 15% is a conservative but realistic value, accounting for all system inefficiencies. Clicking Calculate Solar Output gives us our results. The calculator displays the total daily energy production in kilowatt hours, which directly translates to how much usable electricity your system generates each day after accounting for all losses. This output value is crucial for sizing battery storage, calculating payback periods, and meeting specific energy requirements. One critical mistake engineers make is underestimating system losses. Always use conservative estimates to avoid oversizing expectations. Find the link in the description below.